Hey guys, Kevin Bupp here, and in this video we're going to discuss the little-known niche of parking investments. More specifically, parking lots and parking garages in highly desirable location. Now, as most of you guys are probably aware, I've been a huge proponent of mobile home parks and for nearly a decade now, and I continue to be a fan for mobile home parks, but for many of the same reasons that I love mobile home parks, we also have our sights set on strategically located parking investments, and here's just one of the many reasons why. Parking lots are extremely low maintenance, and they provide an alternative to the typical tenants, trash, and toilets, and maybe even termites that you might find in other niches such as multifamily or even single-family rentals. And in a surface parking lot, you typically have nothing other than asphalt, parking lines, and maybe bumper blocks or curb stops. And it doesn't really get any simpler than this. The worst thing that could happen is that you have to patch a pothole every now and then. Furthermore, when working with a professional third-party operator like we recommend, parking facility operators provide a comprehensive turnkey package to parking lot owners and typically will handle the ongoing maintenance, any equipment upgrades, signage, etc. Anything that has to do with the operation of that parking lot. They are basically responsible for providing and supervising all personnel necessary to facilitate the daily parking operations. And what this creates for the owners, is a low-hassle investment located in a highly desirable area that generates cash flow and builds legacy wealth, all without the hassle of tenants, trash, and termites. This is just one of the many reasons why I am so bullish on the parking sector and expect this niche to thrive in the coming decades. If you'd like to learn more about this exciting niche, be sure to download a copy of my free ebook called Parking Lot Profits by going over to parkinglotprofits.com. In this book, I'm going to share with you the many different reasons why we love the parking lot sector and also how you could partner with me on future parking lot deals. And with that, guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.